Hello, and welcome to Lecture 11, Chapter 3 in Conceptual Physics. So, disregard air resistance. If you throw a baseball to your friend on first base at 20 meters per second, what will be the speed at which the baseball reaches your friend on first base? So, with this question, refer to the principle of conservation of energy, also known as the first law of thermodynamics, or Newton's first law, also known as the law of inertia. So, energy is neither created nor destroyed, and an object will not change its motion unless an external force is acting on it. Okay, so because we are disregarding air resistance, the starting kinetic energy will be the same as the ending kinetic energy. In other words, the release will be the same as the catch. And you can check to see if this is correct by using the equation. The final velocity equals the initial velocity plus acceleration times time. Okay? And so just plug in the values. So the final velocity equals 20 plus 10 times 0. Okay, and 0 times 10, you can cancel that, and so the final velocity is 20 meters per second. So the final velocity is equal to the initial velocity. Okay. Now for part B, if you pay regard to air resistance, then the final speed simply reduces or is less than 20 meters per second. So anytime you have an opposing force present resisting the direction of motion, then that will be the external force Newton's first law is talking about, which is causing the change in state of motion. So because velocity is proportional to air resistance, okay, if you have an increase in velocity, okay, this leads to a larger drag force, okay, and that's going to balance out the net force. So therefore the final velocity is less than The initial velocity. And that's your answer.